Hey there, welcome to the channel. It's Lungile Tole, and this week's video is going to be a recap on my private house running, which I showed in the last video, and also a quick overview of making videos using AI only. And it's pretty much you don't have to do any thinking, the AI will do all the work for you. So let's get it. Alright, so here's all the things. As you can see at the top, got Google FX, FlowState, Leonardo AI, Artlist, Kling, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs. So let's start with Google FX. So first I'm going to show you just opening the page, what it's going to look like from your angle, all the things that you can expect, because this was one that I haven't seen too many people talking about, but it's actually pretty good once you get um, going. It has a few bugs because it's still quite early in the development page, but honestly, I made a video with it and I'm going to show the video later on, and it's pretty solid to begin with. So I'll just put something simple like a dog as our prompt, and we can just let it do its thing. And I'll switch over to Leonardo AI because it normally takes, depending, it could take a minute or two, sometimes five if it's feeling a bit slow. So with Leonardo AI, we get 150 credits per day, which is brilliant because most of these things, once you finish your credits, they just finished for good. So that's one thing, and you can even farm it by creating multiple accounts. So it's solid. We've got Artlist, which is another one. Here's the lines, which I'm going to show in the video later on, which is also pretty solid. If you want consistent images, you have to use the image to video feature. But as you can see, this one, you get very little in the way of free things that you can use using the free plan. You have to kind of pay. With Kling, we've got version 1.6 and 2.0. 2.0 you can only make one video with, whereas 1.6 I think you can make 10. But the quality of 2.0 is so much better. But despite that, I personally prefer using 1.0. 5 seconds for the prompts is good. The fact that they have negative prompts and is also amazing because that gets rid of so many issues. We've got, yeah, and then let's head on to ChatGPT, where uh, we would go to explore GPT's, search GPT's animation script builder by Emmanuel Crown, and this definitely just helps a lot, saves you a lot of time, and it's pretty much trying to be similar to what if you watch the Iman Gatsi live stream, pretty much what you'd be paying for there is what this AI would do for you here. So you just get a prompt. If you need the prompt, DM me on Insta. It will be in my bio, and you just ask it to create something similar. And as you see now, ChatGPT will start working, and it will start creating a story summary for you. So you just say change the story and make it a cat, for example. We've got 11 Labs too. I'm sure you know about it as well. Such a brilliant feature. The best free app in my opinion for using voiceovers. And yeah, you just even go to ChatGPT 2, ask it to write the script, and you placed it in here. Ask ChatGPT to give you the camera angles, the zooming in, zooming out, so that for Kling, Artlist, Leonardo, or ImageFX, whatever you want to do, um, it will ChatGPT will think of it for you. As you can see here, you can also change your voices. You can change the stability. You can make the voice do what you want it to do. You'll generate your speech there. History is where you'll find your generated speeches. And yeah, such a good app. ImageFX. So if we wanted to keep the same dog in all of our pictures, we would go here, lock the seed, and no matter from now on, whenever you create a new one, the dog will remain the same. It isn't beta, so it does struggle every now and then to keep the homogeneity of the dog, but it's fairly solid if you want unlimited creation without having to create a new account every time you want to use the app. And here's the video. It's fairly basic, you get the gist, and yeah, I'll talk more about it afterwards. Thank you. Hey, welcome back. So yeah, now that we've sorted that out, one thing I wanted to say is with the video, it's pretty much the same format as Duck Quest and all of these viral AI videos. We've got the danger, the lion gets hit by a car, the impala helps it, the impala gets hunted by other lions, the lion grows up and saves it, and they just friends. And if you check Duck Quest and you check all of these guys, the script is the same. You just change the protagonist and the antagonist, the good guy, the bad guy, and you change. If it's a shark, you change it to a whale, a killer whale, or to a crocodile. Pretty much don't reinvent the wheel. Just keep it simple. Change it slightly, tweak a thing or two, and it's bound to work. Cause yeah. So just give it a go. Let me know how it goes. If you want any questions or need help or want to see how my AI videos are going, hit me up on Instagram. Otherwise, all the best and let's see you go viral. Peace. Alright, one thing I just remembered now, the Minecraft keychain, I said I'll talk about it. The reason I stopped running it is because the conversions for it are horrendous. I got over 34 million views last month, and I made sales, but honestly, the amount of effort and time of posting about 10 times a day for the sales is just not worth it. So if you are thinking of running it, I wouldn't, because the margins right now are horrendous, and the amount that it costs to ship, especially to the States, is extraordinary. It cost me $20 to ship it, and if I try to sell it for about $18, people say it's too expensive, which I understand is running at a loss. But before tariffs, I could sell it at 18 and people would buy it. But now with $20 as the price for me to buy it, I can't even selling it at 21. It's just not profitable. So definitely high ticket is the way to go. And yeah, thanks again for watching.